Hello my dear students. Today we are going to study a new chapter which will be very interesting for you all to listen and see, that is a Kabaddi match. Now you all are very much well aware of the Kabaddi game, yes, because of Pro Kabaddi which we see in the television. We are very much used to the Kabaddi rules and games and the players, and we enjoy a lot. Right? So, let us start. Page number 12, 1.5, a Kabaddi match. Yes? So, here in this, it is been described about the school Kabaddi match wherein the children are very much enthusiastic. Yes, and what happens? Let us see. The school sports meet was scheduled next month. So the annual sports day was planned next month. The practice matches had already begun. Now, since you all know, we cannot directly jump on that particular day. We need practice. So 9th B were the favorites as they had strong players in their team. 9th B, yes, the competition is between 9th standard class and 9th Division B was a strong class, strong because they had good players. The Kabaddi trials were on. Trials, practice. This year there were 3 new students in class 9A. But what happens? This year 9A is having new students. To everyone's surprise, they proved to be outstanding players. Now 9A is having new students and they were playing very well. So everyone were like, yes, now 9A can also win. 9A's hopes soared. Hopes मतलब उनको आशा होने लगा कि yes, हम लोग भी जीत सकते हैं. When the match started, all the spectators clapped and boosted the morale of both the teams. So when the match started, yes, imagine. The match started and all the spectators, audience, they were clapping and boosting. Yes, the morale means yes, you can do it. If I am the supporter of 9B, I will be shouting, yay! Yes, you will just remember and think those all things. 9th won the toss and sent their raider Govind. So 9th won the toss and they sent their raider. Raider means the one who is going to catch. The one who is going to attack, catch. He was Govind. He was so swift that before the opponents realized it, he had touched Suresh from 9th B and was already heading home. A point was scored. So he immediately went here and Govind, he touched Suresh and he went back and a point was scored. Ravi from 9th B was a strong player. Then from 9th B Ravi came. He was a strong player. He alone was sufficient to catch off any player so tightly in between his legs, twisted like scissors, that releasing oneself from his grip was next to impossible. मतलब एक बार पैर के अंदर पकड़ लिया उन्होंने तो उनसे बाहर निकलना, that was very difficult. All the players were literally afraid of him. So all the players were very much afraid of Ravi. This ace player had won many matches for 9th B. With the support of Mohan and Vinod, 9th B was unbeatable. So Ravi, Mohan, Vinod, ये तीन अच्छे players थे and because of them 9th B were unbeatable. Nobody could defeat them. Now as it was said, the 9th A has new students, they were strong. So first Govind took the point, then Mangesh from 9th A was also strong. He was a good match for Ravi. So Ravi के लिए अच्छा था वो match. Ravi was relaxed as he had never dreamt of any strong opposition from any team. So Ravi from 9th B ने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मुझे कोई हरा सकता है. When Mangesh was wrestled down by Ravi and his friends, everyone in the spectators thought that 9th A would lose Mangesh. जब 9th B से मंगेश को पकड़ लिया था तो सबको लगा कि अभी 9th A हार जाएगा या 9th A मंगेश को गवा देगा. But Mangesh proved his mettle courage के साथ. He was on the ground with the hold of his waist and legs. Anti-raiders मतलब जो दूसरे टीम वाले सब लोग मिलके उसको पकड़े. And slowly he inched towards his coat. So slowly he inched towards his coat. ये midline ने यहाँ पे touch किया, so he'll get a point. And all the anti-raiders with all their might, पूरे जो लोग दूसरे लोग थे सब उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, पकड़े थे, but trying their best to pull him back. तो वो यहाँ तक जाके टच ना करे. They were all pulling him back, but with great determination and without losing his breath. So he the one who is raiding, yes, attacking. He has to chant kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi. So he was just chanting it and touched the midline. And he touched the midline. There were cheers in the air. सब लोग जोर से चिल्लाने लगे. ये मुकेश बच गया. He had not only saved himself but was able to score 3 points for his team. क्यों? Because 3 जन ने उसको पकड़ के रखा था. Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya who were holding him were also declared out. So उसको 3 points मिल गए. Now 9th B began to play cautiously. जो इतना unbeatable था, but because of the new members, new players, they began to play cautiously, संभल के, carefully. Mihir, one of their raiders, even managed to tag Sohan in 9th A. So 9th B का Mihir, 9th A का Sohan को out करने जा रहा था. Nothing much happened in the next few raids. Nothing उतना कुछ हुआ नहीं. Now it was Vivek's raid. He always played with strategies and that worked fine. He had plans. So the remaining 3 players for 9th B trapped Vivek. So 9th B के जो 3 लोग थे, उन्होंने पकड़ लिया विवेक को. He moved slowly back towards his court. The 3 anti-raiders also moved with him. वो अपने टीम में जा रहा था, slowly. तो ये 3 लोग भी उसके पीछे जाने लगे. When they caught his arm were trying to pull him back, Ravi slipped his leg beyond the midline with the anti-raiders still hanging on his arms. पूरा strength के साथ वो तीनों को लेके जाके उसने midline touch कर लिया. The whole of 9th B was declared out because 3 ही लोग बचे थे और तीनों को out कर दिया. 9th A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus points of Lona. So bonus points भी मिला उनको. Lona is bonus points. It was an icing on the cake. मतलब just see कितना ये bonus points, happy moment, icing on the cake. What an enviable score! It set the heads of 9th B reeling. मतलब इतना अच्छा score से तो जलन हो जाएगा. So 9th B एकदम अभी सोचने लगे क्या कर सकते हैं. They were confused. After the half-time break, बीच में break मिला. The star players of 9th A were full of confidence. So the players of 9th A, they were very much confident. Once again, they managed to catch hold of ace raiders Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. वापस उन्होंने ये तीनों को out कर दिया. Now 9th A outplayed 9th B in all the areas of kabaddi. So 9th A बहुत अच्छे से खेला and they played very well. Yes, their team spirit, confidence, strategies, stiffness, suppleness helped them to beat 9th B, who had never tasted defeat earlier. So 9th A ने बहुत strategy के साथ खेला, planning के साथ खेला. They were very fast, they were very supple, means flexible, and because of that 9th B lost the game. And ये team जो कभी हारी नहीं हुआ है, हारे ही नहीं है, because of these good players, 9th B was defeated. Then, kabaddi is an ancient sport. Now relating to kabaddi, what is kabaddi? From when this game is starting in India? Yes, so it is a very ancient game, old game. It originated in India and has now become popular in many countries, so that many international events are organized. अभी international level में kabaddi recognized है. In these events, international rules are followed, but several other kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Gamini, Amar, so these all are the styles of kabaddi, are followed in different parts of India. Yes. Now for kabaddi, 2 teams of 7 members each face each other. यहाँ पे 7 members, यहाँ पे 7 members. The game in a rectangular court, yes, divided by a midline. The game is usually played in two halves with a half time break in between. दो भाग में खेला जाता है और बीच में ब्रेक दिया जाता है. After the break, the team exchange their sides in the court. तो यहाँ पे A है, B है, yes. After the break, here B will go and here A will come. Yes, they will exchange. To play the game, each team sends raiders across the midline to the other team. Now from A, इन्होंने उनके raiders को भेजा. The raider tries to tag the opponents and run back to his side all in one breath. तो यहाँ से आएगा ये, इनको आउट करने का देखेगा, but continuously he has to chant कबड्डी 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 without losing the breath. To show that he hasn't inhaled again, he has to chant kabaddi kabaddi all the time. पूरा टाइम kabaddi 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 बोलते रहना है. If he has inhaled again, he is out. अगर उसने छोड़ दिया, he is out. The opponents try to catch the raider and stop going back to his half till he loses his breath and has to inhale again. तो यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हैं, सब ये एक जो आदमी आया है उसको पकड़ने को हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे. If the raider manages to go back successfully, all the persons he has tagged and all those who have touched him are declared out. तो यहाँ से ये आया है और बहुत लोगों को आउट किया है. Yes, and ये गया और ये मिडलाइन को टच कर लिया, so ये तीनों भी out. For each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point. यहाँ से जितने भी players out, points मिलेगा. If all the 7 players in the team are out, the opposite team gets a bonus point, that is Lona. If all the 7 players are out, then they will get bonus point and that is called Lona. The team with the maximum points wins the match. जिसका भी team में ज़्यादा points रहेगा, they will of course win the match. Now to play kabaddi, what all skills are required? The game of kabaddi requires good health. अच्छा रहना चाहिए. एकदम ऐसे थके आ रहे हैं तो गया 2 मिनट में out. Muscular strength. If anybody is catching you, if you want to catch someone, for that you need muscular strength. Strategic skills, planning रहना चाहिए. Lot of practice and above all great determination. Practice चाहिए and सबसे ज़्यादा focus, determination. Indian girls and boys have always excelled at kabaddi. Indian girls and boys have always outshined. बहुत अच्छा खेला है. Would you like to be an ace kabaddi player when you are a little older? क्या आपको बनना है अच्छा कबड्डी player? Who knows, if you make a resolve now, अगर अभी आपने सोच लिया, one day you may help with glory for your school, district, even the state and the country. अगर आपने अभी determination कर लिया, determine कर लिया कि हाँ मुझे कबड्डी player बनना है, क्या पता स्कूल में first, district में first, then you can play state level, then national level also for the country. So proud moment. Yes children, just think. Yes, so this was our kabaddi match. I hope you all have enjoyed this lesson. Okay, thank you.